Is it so difficult to improve your English? The answer is no. Because this is also a skill like others. If you start improving your English at the right age and at the right time, it's not difficult at all. You have to make it a part of your life. So now you must be thinking, why is it not so difficult? The answer is that actually English is also a skill. It's a foreign language for all of us, for all the Indians. So you can understand it by the simple logic that when we were born, we didn't know anything. We didn't know how to write. We didn't know how to ride a bicycle. We didn't know how to use a computer. But gradually with practice, we learned all these skills. Similarly, if we start working on our spoken and written English, it can also be achieved very easily. So if you are really interested in improve your English, now is the time. So what is the right time to start improving your English? The answer is now. Yes, you may be of any age or any class. If you want to improve your English, you should start it right away. Because the reason is, the more late you will get, it will get difficult for you to understand the things. So if you want to improve your English or your child's English, it is the right time to start it now. So now you must be wondering how to start it. Only by doing practice and learning the correct usage of grammar and So if you really want to improve your English from now, I will give you a suggestion. You can join our comprehensive course of 36 sessions right now if you really want to improve your or your child's English. And if you cannot afford to join that course right now, you can join our YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram, because here also we will provide you regular videos on how to improve your English without any cost and without much hassle. Now, what is this comprehensive course at KOL eGurukul? So actually this is an online interactive course where we provide 36 sessions to the learners, in which we provide them sessions on English grammar, we provide them sessions on creative writing, on public speaking, plus we provide them sessions on life skills also. Now you must be thinking, why life skills? The reason is that we not only want to improve the English of our learners, rather we want to improve their life quality also. We want to prepare these small kids for future. We want to